They'll achieve an accreditation against a best practice standard. It's an industry recognised standard. It helps them understand where they are. It's a very interactive course, but also we find that the networking side is incredibly powerful.
It's the foundation for professionalising the role. And if you want them to respect the role that they do and feel professional at doing it, then working to a set of standards does exactly that. And the exam at the end of this course gives them that external validation that they understand what the best practice for their professional role is. Definitely not. While it has a clear purpose as part of an onboarding program for new analysts and it sets them off on the right path with a firm foundation, it's just as beneficial for analysts who've been doing the job for a while or even for many years. People get into bad habits, they forget the purpose behind some of the things they do. So it's a way of people really looking at why they do what they do in order to be more conscious and give themselves an edge. And it's not just service desk analysts. If you've got second line analysts, it's just as beneficial for them because they need all of the same skill set. Anyone in the support role needs these customer service communication skills, whatever they do.
We're never too old to learn new stuff. The standard is ever evolving. We evolve it in line with new ideas, new methodologies, new technologies, new ways of thinking. If you've got great service desk analysts, you'll have a great service desk. Where we're trying to get people thinking with a service culture and a culture of excellence. And that's really why managers put their analysts on this course.
Well, the professional standard itself sets you a firm foundation of what good looks like. And it allows you to empower your analyst. It allows them to take ownership of their role. And that means that they can really drive it forward, implement improvements, and develop themselves. It covers everything from understanding the strategic role of the service desk, communication skills, conflict management and negotiation, problem solving, an awareness of processes and procedures. So even if they haven't done an ITIL foundation course, they can understand the key service management processes for their role. We look at teamwork, we look at quality assurance. It's very broad in its scope and it covers those non-technical skills that people these days find difficult to build into the training and development programs. So the SDA course is a 3-day course based on the SDA best practice standard. It's a mixture of covering the standards, discussions, storytelling, practical exercises to illustrate the standards and help people put them into context. It's basically 2.5 days of actual teaching and learning, followed by an exam at the end. Well, SDI have been delivering these courses for over 30 years and they've developed a range of options for SDA training. There's obviously the public courses, and these are possibly the great fun that analysts can have by attending with other professionals who do the same job within the industry. For larger organisations that have a lot of analysts to train, we can do in-house delivery. And that's nice because it can be tailored to deliver key messaging around your vision, mission, and your company values. And our third option that we have is virtual. We have virtual classrooms, which means where travel is difficult for analysts, or perhaps locations are very far away, they can still participate either as a public course or even as a virtual in-house course with their colleagues.